Good morning everyone. Myself Mayur Sandeep Dhande from third year BArc. Today I am going to present you the cultural center which was our design topic. So our site is located in Anandwali. The site is adjacent to the Godavari river. Then towards the south of the site we have Nausha Ganpati Mandir. The whole site is a farmland. Also beside the site is a municipal garden. The site has an easy access from the road, and also the site is surrounded by trees. For my case study, I had selected the British Council, which was designed by Charles Correa. The British Council is located in New Delhi. The British Council consists of a library, an auditorium, art gallery, and the headquarters of the British Council. The entry for the British Council was from the north side. As we enter the British Council, towards the left side we have the art gallery. Opposite to it we have an auditorium. As we go forward we have an open courtyard, and towards the left side of the courtyard we have an cafeteria and some reading space around it. So in this slide we have an art gallery and an exhibition space located in it. So this is the site plan of my drawing. There is an entry of about 12 meters, and as we enter we have parking to the right hand side. As we enter into the cultural center, towards the left hand side there is art gallery and museum over there, and towards the right hand side we have an auditorium over there. uh, as we come downwards we have cafeteria and and library located over there. As we enter the auditorium, first there is a ticket counter where we need to take the ticket and then enter the auditorium. As we enter the auditorium, towards the left hand side is the canteen and the main entry towards the auditorium. Towards the right hand side we have the washrooms. As we enter the auditorium, there is stage on the left hand side, and to the right hand side we have sittings over there. Towards the back side of the stage we have the changing rooms, green rooms, the washrooms. So this block is of the museum. As we enter, towards the right hand side we have the ticket counter and the inquiry area. Beside it we have a washroom, and as we go forward we have the museum spaces over there. So this block is of art gallery. As we enter, towards the left hand side we have the ticket counter and an inquiry area. Opposite of that we have washrooms provided, and as we go forward we have the art spaces. So this is the block of library. As we enter we have an office to the left hand side. As we go forward we have bookshelves provided over there. Besides it we have some sitting spaces over there. Also there is an washroom in the left corner of the library. Also I have provided some sitting outside. So these sections are, the first section is cut from the art gallery, museum and the auditorium, and the second section is cut from the cafeteria space and the library. This view is from the south side of the site. This is the drop-off point and the entry of the cultural center. Also, I have provided the pergolas for the auditorium as a walkway to enter the auditorium. The view showing the cafeteria spaces and the library block. The view from the library block. The outdoor setting of the library, showing the connection between the nature. This view showing the entry of art gallery and also some part of parking. The view showing the cafeteria space and the museum block. This is the back side of art gallery. I have provided an pavement over there.